Hi guys, we're going to do a quick recap on surface area of triangular prisms. We're going to do one of the problems where it is a right triangle and then one that has a basic regular triangle. So let's go ahead and get started so that we can keep this short. As we know, the first thing we're going to do is identify our base or shade in our base. So let me go ahead and shade in my triangles. The back line of this one will be the back of the other base. From here, I am going to recreate my base and go ahead and label it. Once I label it, I'm going to cross out the numbers on the prism that I have already used so that I don't accidentally use it as my height. And now that I have that, I'm going to go ahead and identify my height. For my formulas, I need my height, I need my perimeter, and I need my big B. I'm going to start off with, next I'm going to go to my perimeter. And for perimeter of a triangle, you add the three sides of the triangle. So for perimeter equals 6 plus 8 plus 10. In my calculator, I'm going to do 6 plus 8 plus 10, and I got 24. So my perimeter is 24. For my big B, anytime you're solving for area of a right triangle, you always use your legs. Think of hypotenuse. Think of Pythagorean theorem. So you're going to use your legs, meaning you should never use your hypotenuse. Easiest way to identify that is your hypotenuse is your biggest side. So if I look at my right triangle, I have 6, 8, 10. 10 is my hypotenuse because it's the biggest side. So I will not use that. So it's going to be 6 times 8 divided by 2. In my calculator, I'm doing control divide. 6 times 8 over 2, and I got 24. So my big B is 24. So now that I have my height, my perimeter, and my base, I can go ahead and solve my formulas. So for lateral, which is perimeter times height, I'm going to do 24 times 12. And when I put 24 times 12 in my calculator, I get 288 inches squared. Now to solve for total surface area, which is perimeter times height plus 2 times big B, I have perimeter of 24 times a height of 12 plus 2 times a big B of 24. In my calculator, I did 24 times 12 plus 2 times 24, and I got 336 inches squared. Okay? So now let's clear this all out and work on this triangle. So the first thing I'm going to do is shade in my base. From here, I am going to recreate my base, label my base, and now that I have labeled my base, I'm going to go through and cross out every number that I have already used to make sure I don't mistakenly use it for my height. So since I have crossed out all of those numbers, I know that my height is 20, the only number that's left over. Okay. Again, I need my height, I need my perimeter, I need my big B. So let's start solving for the other ones. For your perimeter, you add the three sides of the triangle, the three outside sides of the triangle. So we have 17 plus 17 plus 16. I'm going to put that in my calculator. 17 plus 17 plus 16. And I got 50. So my perimeter is 50. Now I'm going to do my big B, which is the bottom of the triangle, 16, times the height of the triangle, 15, divided by 2. So on my calculator, I'm going to control divide. 16 times 15 over 2, and I got 120. So my big B is 120. For lateral surface area, which is perimeter times height, I'm going to have 50 times my height of 20, and 50 times 20 is 1,000 yards squared. And then for total, it is going to be perimeter times height plus 2 times big B. So 50 times 20 plus 2 times 120, and I got 1240 yards squared. All right, guys, good luck and have a good day.